Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So again, for today's video, mag-unboxing po tayo ng order sa akin na unit. Ito po ay bundle set for only 3,500. Meron na po siyang bundle set. And as you can see, struggle sa pagbubukas yung kapatid ko dahil kailangan niyang i-video ito as a proof of receive. And as you can see, isa-isa na po niyang inilalabas yung mga freebies na kasama nung bundle. And ayan, and last but not the least, yung kanyang ilalabas ay yung pinaka main dito na topic is yung tablet. Ayan guys, nakita nyo naman balot na balot. Si tablet yan. And ayan, may charger, may connector, may headset, may pre-tempered glass, may sticker pa. So marami talagang freebies. And dito, i-check na kung talagang gumagana yung ating unit. Opo guys, as you can see, gumagana talaga siya for only 3,500. Yan ang lahat ang mapapasayo. And working po si tablet nung ma-receive niya. Sa mga gusto po mag-order dyan ng tablet, cellphone, laptops na meron po ako. PM lang guys.